What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for SoFi Technologies with the ticker symbol SOFI. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So last time I looked at SoFi Technologies was back on November 5th, so it has been about 7 days or you could say a week. And you see that my target was at the $14 level, or actually it was at the $13.25 level. Price reached it and exceeded it to reach that $14 level that I marked as prior, that could turn into, that is potential resistance. So it looks like we're finding some sort of resistance around that level. Price was moving at this angle of attack, and the angle of attack got steeper. So again, that's not going to last forever. So we could be seeing some sort of correction take place anytime now. There's also a couple gaps that can be filled at lower price levels. So overall, we did reach the target. It even exceeded it, finding a resistance at potential resistance level because this was prior support in the past. I'll show you guys better on the weekly chart, more cleaner view at it. But as right now, the incentive for the buyers is drying up because that measure move target was met. So the market will have to probably reset and then continue higher. Overall, probably it will continue moving higher. Is it guaranteed? No. But as right now, it looks like it's still bullish because we're still above the trend line. But in the meantime, a downtrend in the short term can develop on a shorter time frame. It could start developing. So again, expectation is a possible temporary top taking place very shortly. Price could push through, which would be even more bullish. If it could push through this $14 level, pull back, find support, that would be very bullish. But as right now, it's not likely for that to occur. I would expect this level to hold, and we do see a correction take place, maybe back down to the $10 level. That is definitely a target or a level that price would want to retest, or it could stall out halfway, maybe at the $12 level. We'll have to wait and see. As right now, but that's how I'm looking at SoFi Technologies on the daily chart. We'll see how this price action develops around the $14 level. If you see strong rejection, then you already know why that's occurring, because this is a potential resistance level. And we could see a downtrend develop because we're overextended. We reached the measurement target. We're at potential resistance. So a lot of reasons why price should start, descending, then continue moving up higher. But again, it's not guaranteed. You also have to look at the other side of the chart, which is the bullish side, and that price is still above this bullish trend line right here, and we could push through this level and continue moving up higher. We'll have to wait and see. But it's a game of probabilities, and as right now, it's looking more likely we find a temporary top and a correction lower. Looking at the weekly chart, you can see a very large overextension from that EMA. The EMA is right over here. The blue line is right over here. And look how far price is overextended from that EMA. That's a very large overextension, largest, in SoFi has seen in a while. It has seen large overextensions in the past back over here, but in the meantime, in the near term, it hasn't. So very large overextension. Price likes to come back to the EMA, or at least trade near it, unless it's a very strong trend like this right here, where the price stays far away from the EMA for an extended period of time. That's different, but this looks like it was a very quick move, and we may not see that, parallel price action against the EMA. We might see price, drop down sharply like a rubber band effect, like we did back over here in July and August. So again, that's the possibility in play as right now, especially with that gap that can be filled. So as right now, expecting a temporary top. That's why you did see a red day today for SoFi, a drop of 2%, which is, small, but it is the potential start of something. So we'll see what happens long term for SoFi. But as right now, meantime, it could be a temporary top unless price can push through aggressively through that $14 level, and we could see a little bit more downside, possibly towards that $12 level or even the $10 level. So that's how I'm looking at SoFi on the daily and weekly charts. And most likely, I'll give you guys an update next week, Tuesday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.